have now set up your account, you've received your temporary password, you've signed in, you've entered in all your details as you saw in the previous video, and now we're moving on to the next step. So you'll go back in and you'll sign back into your account, okay? Now when you sign back into your account, you'll go here to My Documents. And when you click on My Documents, which we'll do now, you'll be taken over to this page right here, and then you'll go to the year 2021 and you will see here tax credit certificate. Okay, now this is the document that I will go through now that explains everything in relation to what your tax system will be for the year. So view, and here is your tax clearance certificate. Now there's a page before this that has the personal details of the person that this relates to, so I'm not showing that, but you'll print this, and obviously in those personal details you have the address, and this is the document you're going to use to open a bank account. So this document combined with your passport is what you're going to need to open up your bank account. Now I'll explain to you the situation here. So this particular person, personal tax credit 1650, employee tax credit 1650, and the flat rate expense is because this person has to provide their own uniforms and launder their own uniforms, so they have another €105.20 tax credit, meaning their total tax credit is €3,405.20. Okay, their pay rate is under 35,300, so they're set up on the 20% tax. Okay, flat rate expenses, so that's set up there. Then the banding system here for the different USC charges. Okay, the amount of income chargeable at 0.5% is the first €12,000. The amount of income at 0.2% then is the next €8,675, and at 4.5% the next 49,000. So this is all calculated though, which I'll show you now in a second when we go underneath here. Allocation of your tax credit, this is basically being allocated to the employer. So your yearly tax credit is 3,406, your monthly tax credit is 283.84, and your weekly tax credit is 65.50. So if you're being paid monthly, okay, your tax credit, meaning when you're charged taxes, the first €283.84 will be credited back to you, effectively meaning you're not paying it. Okay, on the 20% band at 35,000 means you earn monthly 2,985.50. You'll remain on this 20% band. If your pay in a month goes over this number, then you are going to be charged 40% with the same tax credit applied. Okay. Now then we go down to the universal service charges, which I explained earlier. Like I said, it's all calculated out. So monthly you can earn €1,001 and you'll be on the 0.5%. Everything over that, the next €722 that you earn in the month will be on the 2%. So you can earn €1,724 approximately in the month to be on the 0.5 to 0.2%. Everything over that then goes to the 4.5%. Okay, and that kind of explains your tax credit to you a little bit. Okay, if you've got any questions, obviously you can reach out and let us know. But this is the document. You'll go back into your account. You'll click on your documents. You'll then open up your tax credit certificate. You'll print that, and with this certificate and your passport or your ID card, you'll go to the bank and you'll open up your bank account, and then you're fully set up now in Ireland with the revenue, with your taxes, and everything will be sorted out, and you will not be paying emergency tax from the moment that you've done this. Now, the one thing I would suggest that you do as well when you print off this document is give a copy of it to your employer. The employer will have received a copy as well, but they might not have received it yet, and the quicker they get it, the quicker you assure that you're not going to be charged emergency tax. So I would print off a copy of this and give it to my employer as well. Like I said, any questions, just reach out to us. Looking forward to working with you.